Dear friends, today we are going to see about the doctrine of iron fire. What is called the doctrine of iron fire? At will employment. The employer having the right to hire and fire on employee, whatever be the reason. That is called doctrine of iron fire. But when we see the Indian context, it is not possible because before independence, we have a Indian Contract Act. We follow the conditions, that is, terms and conditions of employment under the Indian Contract Act. After independence, we follow the Industrial Dispute Act and the Industrial Employment Standing Order Act to terminate the category of employment people, that is, trainees, professionals, and permanent employees. So, there are some groundwork to be done when we terminate the employee. When we see one case law in the year 1968, the court said that the doctrine of fire and fire is abrogated from Indian ground. That is given under the one case law. And in another case law, the jury observed that the doctrine of fire and fire should not have the conditions in the appointment with the implied conditions. It should be explicit. The employee should be aware of what are all the conditions stipulated under the appointments. And in another case law, due process to be followed when the time of termination of employment. Due process means there are stages of terminating the employee. That is, we have to conduct the inquiry, we have to give the show cause notices, we have to give the other formalities to be followed under the principles of natural justice. That is called the due process. That has to be followed. In another case law, the seniority and the longest period of service to be taken care when the time of retrenching the employee from the employment. That is from the doctrine of hire and fire in one case law. And in another case law, minimum condition of service to be taken care when we terminating the employment of the people. In another case law, termination not to be done by unfettered right. So when we terminating an employee, we should have the utmost care, and we should keep it into mind that the adjudication authorities will review our petitions. Thank you. I will meet you once again. Please register to Murali HR YouTube channel. Thank you.